Hello, Russ here, and right now I'm going to show you how to use the scissor tool and join command in Adobe Illustrator. In the document area, we are going to use the scissor tool to make the start image look like the final image. First, select the white rectangle on the start image with the selection tool. On the toolbar, while pressing down with your mouse on the eraser tool, select the scissor icon. With the scissor tool, place an anchor point on the bottom path here. On the toolbar, select the direct selection tool. Drag up from the anchor point you just placed. Try to make it match the final image. Drag up and to the right, starting from the anchor point on the bottom line while trying to make it look like the final image on the right. Select the selection tool from the toolbar and select the white area of the start image. In the Properties panel, press the Join button. In the Properties panel, change the stroke to 0. Lastly, click on the Fill button and select the swatches icon. Select the purple 3 color, press Escape, and you are done.